Hi, my name is Brian. I'm a web and graphics specialist, and today I'm going to show you how to make a theme wider using custom CSS in Tumblr. So I have my Tumblr blog opened up right here, and I'm going to customize the CSS to make this content section wider on the page. So in order to do that, I'm going to go into the top right-hand corner and click on the Customize button. And then once I get into the back end of my blog, I'm going to click on the Edit HTML button. Okay. Now everyone's theme is different, but they should have basically the same types of class names. And so what you're going to look for is a class named wrapper and content. So I'm going to scroll down. Right here I see a wrapper, and you want to just find a place that has width. And you're going to adjust that. So I have a wrapper with a width of 845 pixels. Let's say I want to make that larger. I will change it to, let's say, 1045 pixels. And then below that, so that'll change the width of the entire blog, but that won't stretch for the content to fit inside that width. You also have to set the width of the content section. So I'm going to scroll down, and there's another div that's named wrapper content, and I'm going to raise that by 200 pixels to 720. Now this should make the content section of my blog a little bit wider. If I click Update Preview, as you can see, it is wider on the page. So it's going to be different for different themes. Basically, if you just look for the div wrapper and the div wrapper content and adjust the widths accordingly in your CSS, you should be able to adjust the width of any theme in Tumblr. That's how you do that. My name is Brian. Thanks for watching.